First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see the day 32 daily score booster questions starting with the simplifications. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. First question. Here 185 percentage of 400. Percentage and double zeros will be cancelled. 185 into 4 times 4 5 times is 28, 4 32 34 740. So we get a 740 from this one plus 35% of 240. I see 5 multiple percentage single zero and 2 multiple. 5 7 times 2 12 times. So we get 7 12 times will be 84. 84 for this one, 84 for this one, whole equals to x divided by 100 into 1648. So in this side we get 740 plus 84 means 4, 824. 824 equals to x by 100 into 1648. 824 2 times is nothing but 1648. So we have 250 times. So x value will be 50. Option A is our answer. Second question. Here we have 164 into 4725 divided by 225. 225 means we will do this with the 15 table. 15 times. 15 3 times 45, 22, 0. Wait a second. 15 times. Okay, 315 times. Here equals to 15, 2 times 30 and 1 times will be 315. So we have 164 into 21 from this one. 164 into 20 plus 1. We calculate like this. 8032 plus 164. We have 4, 4, 4 and 3. 3444 from this side. Whole equals to x square minus 37 comes this side with plus 37. So we have 7 plus 4 will be 1. This will be 8, 4, 3481. 3481 is equals to x square means x value will be 59. 59 square value is nothing but 3481. This is why I request everyone to by heart 1 to 60 squares. 60 squares by hearting is very easy because 40 to 60 squares is very easy to by heart and remember. There has a trick, I will say in some other class, or else if you comment me for 40 to 60 squares remembering trick, I will post it by tomorrow. Okay, let's see. Answer is 59. Option B is our answer. Next one. Here we have 7.69 percentage, which is nothing but the fraction value of 1 by 13. How I remember this fraction value is nothing but 7 plus 6 will be 13. This is how I remember this fraction value into 247. I know 13 table, so 13 19 times is 247. This is why we need to remember 20 into 20 tables also. Here we must know 20 into 20 tables, 1 to 60 squares and 1 to 20 cubes. These must be by hearted by everyone to get a speed maths. Here 33.33 percentage means 1/3 of 132. So 3 4 times and 4 times. So we have 19 plus 44 plus this will be, we can write this as 20 plus 1 into 62. 2 times is 44 and 2 6 times 12, 1 2 4 0 plus 62 2 0 3 102. Okay, plus 75 equals to 10x square. So totally we have 19 plus 44 plus 1302 whole equals to 10x square. Here we have 9, one more 75 plus 75 also. So totally we have 20, 10 plus 4 14, 4 1 440 equals to 10x square. So x square value will be 144. So x value will be 12. So answer will be 12. Option A is our answer. Next question. Here it is 55.55 percentage of 324. I remember this fraction value is nothing but 1 by 18 into 324. 18 times will be 324. So the value from this one is 18 plus 17 into 23. I clearly see here is 20 minus 3 and 20 plus 3. This is a minus b into a plus b formula. That formula is equals to a square minus b square. So 20 square, which will be 400, minus 3 square, 9. So we get 391 for this one, minus, it is also clear that it is 60 plus 3 and 60 minus 3. So a square minus b square, 60 square, 3600, minus 9 will be 3591. Okay, plus this is 70 into 91. 1 times is 7. 9 times will be 63. 6370. So totally we have 18 plus 391 minus 3591 plus 6070. 18, 391, 6370 minus 3591. So 1 and 1 subtracted, we left with 8. 9 and 9 subtracted, we left with 8. 6, we subtract 5, we left with 1. 6 minus 3, we left with 3. So answer will be 3188. Option C is our answer. Next question. Here the difference between these two is 14. 14 means 14 so half, 7. So 23 plus 7 will be, say, 30. 30 minus 7 and 30 plus 7. So it will be 30 square, which will be 900, minus 7 square, 49. We get 15851 for this one, plus 16. 2 times will be 32 into 11 times means sum of these two, 5, 352. This looks like 100 minus 5 and 100 plus 5. So answer will be 100 square will be this one, and 5 square must be 25. So we have 7599. 9975 we have here, minus 27 into 33. 27 3 times will be 81. 81 into 11 will be sum of these two in between. So 891 is the answer for this one. So totally we have 851 plus 352 plus 9975 minus 891. So 1 and 1 cancels here. We left with 7. 10 minus 9 will be 1. 1 plus 7 will be 8. Here 8 and 8 subtracted. We left with 12. 9 plus 1 will be 10. 10287 is our answer. Option D is our answer. Next, we are going to see quadratic equations. First question. Here it is 50. 10 5 times is 50. We get 5. Plus and minus means minus and plus are the roots here. Here 105. 15. 7 times will be 105. We get 22. Minus and plus will be plus and plus. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Okay. Next, second question. It is 80. 80 means 10 8 times. Minus and plus. So the roots are in positive. Here 40 means 8 5 times is 40. Subtracting we get 3. So minus and minus means plus and minus. The bases are equal. So we check x is greater than or equals to y. Next, second question. Third question. 38. 38 means 19 2 times. Minus and plus. The roots are in positive. Here 17. 1 times will be 17. Subtracting we get 16. Minus, plus and minus means minus and plus are the roots. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y. Next question. Here it is 204. I know 204 as 17 12 times. This is why we need to know 20 into 20 tables. 17 12 times will be 204. And we got 29. So the roots are 17 and 12. Minus and plus means the roots are in positive. Here 132. 12 11 times. We got 23. Minus and plus means plus and plus are the roots. Next. By this, comparing both these, we have x greater than or equals to y. Next, fifth one, 150. 150 means 25 6 times will be 150. We got 31. Minus and plus. So the roots are in positive. Here 125. 125 and we got 20. 25. 5 times is 125. Plus and minus, minus and plus. So by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than or equals greater than y. X is greater than y. Now we are going to see wrong number series. First question. Here the difference is -1. Here the difference is -5. Here the difference is -8. Here the difference is 6 1 -16. Here the difference is -32. So it is clear that these are into 2 times. 8 2 times is 16. 16 2 times will be 32. So these two are wrong. So our wrong number will be this one. Next, second question. Here these numbers are slightly varying. We'll go with differences. Here the difference is 7. Here the difference is 19. Here the difference is 42. Here the difference is 72. Here the difference is 0, 1 and 1. If we write this as 10 11 times, and we can write this as 9 8 9 times. So this is even numbers and these are odd numbers and successive numbers. This is 6 7 times. So this is even number and this is odd number. 6 8 10. So it must be 4 into 5 5 7 9 11. So this must be 4 into 5 and this must be 2 into 3. So these two are wrong numbers. So our wrong number is 105. Next, here we'll go with the differences. Here the difference is -65. Here the difference is 52. Here the difference is 39. I know these are as a 13 table. Here the difference is -26. These all are in 13 table. The next one is 2 and 1. So this is our wrong number because these are 13 2 times, 13 3 times, 13 4 times, 13 5 times. So it must be 13 1 time 13. So our wrong number must be the last one. 267 is our wrong number. Next, here we'll go with the differences. Here the difference is 9 8 and 2 -289. Here the difference is 6 5 and 2 256, which is 16 square. This is 17 square. Here the difference is 5 2 and 2. Okay, the difference is 15 square. Here the difference is 6 9 1. This is 14 square. Let's see the last one. Here the difference is 0 7 and 1. So this is our wrong number because here the place is for 13 square, which is 169. So our wrong number is 1007 is our wrong number. Next question. We'll see the differences here. Here the difference is 34. Here the difference is 2 and 552. Here the difference is 29 plus 38 will be 67. Here the difference between these two is uh, 62 plus 23, 85. Here the difference is 2, 0 and 1. I know these numbers are 17 table, 17 factors, 17 2 times, 17 5 times, 17 6 times. So this must be 17 3 times and 17 4 times. 17 3 times is 51, 17 4 times is 68. So our wrong number is this one. Next we are going to see missing number series. Okay, here increasing. Okay, let's see. This is nearly into 2 times 24 plus 3, 27 3 times will be 81. So let's take it as a 24, 27 4 times will be 108 plus 4. So into 2 plus 3 into 4 plus 4. Here it is into 8 times will be 88 896 plus 5. So the first digits are double, the next digits are 2 3 4 5. Okay, so it must be into 1 plus 2, it must be into half plus 1. Half will be 9, 9 plus 1 will be 10, 10 1 times will be 1, 10, 10 plus 2 12. Okay, so our answer will be 10. Option A is our answer. Next question. Here it is looks like into 5 times. 9 5 times is 45. This will be 295 plus 1. So into 5 plus 1. Here it is looks like into 4 times will be 56. 14 4 times will be 56 and 4 times is 28. We get 588 plus 2. Here it is looks like into 3 times. 50 3 times will be 150. 150 minus 6, 147, 144, 144 plus 3. So into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 2 into 5 plus 1. So it must be into 2 plus 4. It must be into 1 plus 5. 17 1 times is 17 plus 5 22, 22 2 times will be 44 plus 4 48. So answer will be 22. Option D is our answer. Next question. Here we'll go with the differences. Here the difference is 15. Here the difference is 17, 20, 24. The difference between these two is 2, 3, 4. Next one must be 5. So 29. 88 plus 29 will be 117. Answer will be 117. Option A 117 is our answer. Next question. Here it is into 1 times. This is plus 2. Okay. Then it must be into 3 times. 3 2 times is 6, 3 9 6. Okay, clear. This must be plus 4. So we get a 400. 400 plus 5. 400 into 5 will be 2000. So answer will be 400. Option B is our answer. Next one. Here we see the differences. Here the difference is 3, 5 and 1. Here the difference is 6, 3 and 1. Here the difference is 5 and 8. I know these are 17 factors. 17 5 times, 17 8 times, 17 9 times. So it must be 17 6 times, 17 7 times, 119, and 6 times will be 102. So 98 plus 102 will be 200. 200 plus 119 will be 319. So answer will be 200. Option C is our answer. Now we are going to see a reasoning based puzzle. Designation. Now we are going to see a reasoning puzzle based on designations. 11 people working in the bank with different designations. The designations of the people are in decreasing order. Okay, let's note all the designations. So first one is chairman, second one is general manager, third one is DGM, fourth one is AGM, fifth one is CM, sixth one is SBM, next one is branch manager PM, next one is DM, next one is assistant manager AM, PO and clerk. Okay, these are the designations. Okay, now let's note the rough statements. First, starting from here, only three people are designated between M and P. Three people between M and P. We represent like this. Next, as many people designation between Z and W as between S and P. Z and W as between S and P. Okay. R works three people senior to N. R 1 to N. This one. Okay. Q works two people senior to T. Q works two people senior to T. This one. T who is not an assistant manager. So this is not the place for T. Not place for assistant manager, not the place for T. Okay. Only two people are designated between W and S. Two people between W and S. S who is deputy manager. So S is DM. So we have S is DM. Okay. As many people senior to W as junior to M. Neither N neither works as SBM. N neither works as SBM nor assistant manager nor AM. Okay. O is immediate junior and immediate senior to neither P nor Z. So O and P does not be adjacent. It means O and P does not be adjacent and O and Z does not be adjacent. This statement represents this thing. Okay. Now we need to find the solution for our puzzle using these rough statements. First we have S here. So if we have S, then we can write W. The W place must be either here or 1 to W. These are the two possibilities we got. So after W we got this one. W top how many equals to M below. So W is here, so M is here. If it is W 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, this is M's place. Okay, so we have completed this one and this one. Next, now we have M. If we have M, then we can get P. M 1 2 3, this is the place for P, or else we have another possibility also. 1 2 3, this is the place for P. Okay, this one completed. Here 1 2 3, place for P. Okay, this is completed. Next one is we have S and P. there is two people between S and P, so two people between Z and W. So there is only place for Z will be here in this case. Okay, here there is two people. 1 to Z, it is not possible. So this case fails. Next, here 1, 2, 3, 4 people between P and S. So 4 people between W and Z. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is not possible. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a place for Z. Okay, so we have two possibilities with us. We completed this one also. Next, we left with these two. We cannot place, we place n. If we place n here, we cannot place n here nor here. So there is possibility of placing n here 1 2 r. So if we place n here 1 2, this is place for r. In this case we cannot place n here, n here. This is a place for n and r. Okay, this is also completed. Q dash t, we cannot place t here, but we can place q here. Wait a second. Q and t. In this case we cannot able to place q dash t. There is no place for q dash t type, so this case also fails. In this case we have only one possibility of placing q here and t here, so this one is also completed. Next, let's see this one. O and P does not be adjacent, or O and Z are not, so we cannot place O here, so this is the place for O. So we left with only X here. So let's see the questions asked. Who among the following person works as assistant manager? Assistant manager is nothing but a Q. So answer is option E, or the one who works immediately junior to S. We have two options. We have either A or E is our answer for first one. Second question, 4 of the 5 are alike in a certain way. Find the odd one out. Q and T. This is Q, this is T. In between only one person. O and R. O and R. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 even peoples. So second one has even. First one has odd. Third one S and X. This is S and this is X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 odd people. W and M, odd one. T and M. T here, M here, there is 3, odd one. So even one will be the answer, odd one out. So option B is our answer for second one. Now let's see question 3. How many people are senior to M? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Option A is our answer. Next, fourth question. X works in which of the following designation? General manager. Option E. Fifth one. Who among the which of the following statement is true? W works as assistant manager. No. M works senior to M. No. Only 3 people are designated between Q and M. Q here, M here. No. X works immediately senior to P. Yes. Option D is our answer. Now we are going to see inequalities. First question, this one. Before going to start this topic, I'm using the concept of a flow method. If I see a symbol like this, I say that the flow from this side to this side. If I see a symbol like this, I say the flow from this side to this side. So let's start. The flow from A to S with everywhere equal to. From A we can reach to E or P. E or P but cannot able to reach to S. So first one will be false. First conclusion will be false. Second one, the flow from S to A. From S we can reach to O, B and C. From C we can able to reach up to E but not to A. So second conclusion is also false. But here the both has S and A. S has lesser, equal to and greater. All the three symbols are in between S and A. So it is either 1 or 2 is the answer for this one. Next, second question. The flow from U to T. From U we can reach to T is possible. So first one is true. Second conclusion. The flow from P to Z. From P there is no flow. So second conclusion will be false. Third question. The flow from K to V. From K we can reach to P. From P we can reach to V. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from P to V with everywhere equal to. From P we can reach to V with everywhere equal to also. So it is true. Fourth question, the flow from V to U. From V we can reach to N, T, K. From K we can reach to P but not to U. So second conclusion will be false. The flow from U equals to T. No, it is not. So first one is also false. Okay. Let's see fifth question. The flow from K to L. From K we can reach to O. From O we can reach to L. It is possible. So second conclusion will be true. S equals to A. S equals to O. S is not equals to A. So first conclusion will be false. Now we are going to see syllogisms. Syllogisms. First question. Only a few Z or X. No X is W. All X are V. Let's see conclusions. Some W are V. Some part of W is sharing with V. No. Direct conclusion false. All V being Z is a possibility. All V can be placed inside Z. Inside Z. Yes, it is possible. We can place all V inside Z. So second conclusion will be true. Let's see second question. Some school or college. All college are study. No study is hard work. Let's see conclusions. Some school or study. Yes, first conclusion is true because it is a direct conclusion and there is a relation between school and study of some. Okay. Second question. Some college being not school is a possibility. First leave this is a possibility. Some college not school. We check all college can be school. All school, all college can be school is possible or not. Yes, it is possible, but it is saying that not, some not. Sorry, we cannot get this one. Let's understand what actually it means is some college being not a school is a possibility. Some college is not being school is a possibility. No, it is not possible because it is already sharing some part. So not cannot be comes in between school and college. So second one will be false. Wait a second, it is talking about possibility. So some part of college cannot be school. We can draw this one. We can able to draw this is a possible diagram. So it will be true. Some part of college does not be school. We can draw because some part is sharing, but some part cannot be sharing with S. So it is true. Both 1 and 2 are true here. This is a high difficult question for me also. But understanding the actual meaning of this conclusion, can get right answer. Now we are going to see third question. All tea or coffee? Only a few coffee or cocktail. No cocktail is mojito. Let's see conclusion. Some tea being mojito is a possibility. Some tea being mojito is a possibility. As first one is true. All cocktail being tea is a possibility. All cocktail can be placed inside tea. Yes, it is also possible. Second conclusion is also true. Let's see fourth one. No Uber is Ola. Only a few Rapido or Uber. Some cab or Rapido. Conclusions. Some Ola being cab is a possibility. Some Ola can be cab is a possibility. First one is true. Some cab not being Uber is a possibility. What it mean is some part of cab cannot be Uber. Some part of cab cannot be Uber is a possibility. Yes, we can make some part of cab cannot be sharing with you. So second conclusion is true. Next, fifth question. No moon is sun. No moon is sun. All sun are star. Some Pluto are star. Conclusions. All star are sun. All star inside sun. No, it is in reverse. So first conclusion will be false. Some stars are not moon. We check all stars can be moon. All stars can be placed inside moon. No, it is not possible. All case fails means some not case will be true. By this we have completed today's daily score booster questions. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.